Hi, I'm Waziul at ComputerExpo.com. I want to show you how to replace battery or take apart your Samsung tablet Tab 3. It's a GT-5210 model, and basically you secure a space where you can take one of those opener, Sharpie plastic would be fine. You go around each area and just lift it up slowly. You can go to the edge, and as you go to the edge and basically feel it, and you can open. This one is, I have opened it earlier to demonstrate, and as you can see, once you do this thing, you'll be able to lift it up, and here's your battery. And basically set aside your back cover. Now you notice that you have several flex ribbon cable, and you have to be careful. Same thing, you use the tools and you gently locate these. There's a little tab you pull over. After you pull over and you remove gently this cable, same thing you do this other second one or the middle one. You lift it up, pull it out, and the third ribbon cable you have to do, lift it up and pull it out. So here we go, your cable disassemble. Then you take the Phillips head screwdriver. Some of the battery already come with that. Is basically there's the screws, about 3 on this side, 2 on each side, basically 4, 6, 8, 10 screws. You just unscrew them and carefully just set aside those screws. Right here I have saved. So to make it quicker video, I already took apart those screws, and once you take the screws off, all of them, and you'll be able to go ahead again, you can just lift up the battery right here, your battery. Now the last thing is the battery connectors. You can just pull them out. These battery connectors just are lift up actually. It's because the connection is sitting on top of the connector. So here's the old battery. I'll grab the replace new battery, and you can make a mistake because the connector is one side. So basically, again, make sure you got the right model before you order the battery, and you should be fit right that same place you just took it off. That way you know it's the right battery. So, and then same time you can go ahead secure your power connectors, and same way just lift it up. Now push it down. Here you go. Put your cable back again underneath this white tab. You do white tab, and then once you go see all the way, go ahead, take your plastic things down and push it down so that your cable is secure. You can see now you can pull it out. Same thing, you go reach this other cable underneath, right here. Once it's there secure, go ahead, push it down again so you know that's secure. And your third and final cable to worry about is this yellow color cable, and we'll go ahead, put it in again, secure, make sure they're all even, and final. That's it. And then just make sure that's all working before tight all the screws in. You can just basically put it back, all the screws that you have removed previously, and then you put your cover back on, and then you snap it And basically, before I do these things, I'm gonna go ahead, turn it on, make sure it's working, and of course we have this power button right here. You test them with your power button, and that should be complete your installations. And that's again, let's complete this installations by putting this tab again. And sometimes the battery need to be charged, and that should be complete your installation for the battery. Thank you for visiting computerexpo.com, www.computerexpo.com. Thank you.